Hi there. If you are a content creator and unable to get new ideas for your content, then this video is made for you. In this video, I will tell about the best Chrome extensions for content creators to increase their productivity and to get new ideas for their contents. Also, I had a surprise for you in this video. Please make sure to watch this video till the end. So without further wasting any time, let's start. The first Chrome extension in our list is Loom, screen recorder and screen capture. This Chrome extension allows the users to record the screen along with their video and their audios simultaneously. To use this, click on the Lumo icon on the tab bar. A new Lumo tab appears where you can start recording your screen along with your video and audio simultaneously. So it also provides effects for your background like blur, color background, picture background, and it also provides a canvas for you where you can write anything and explain to your audience. Let me try out this and start the recording. Yes, proceed. I would like to share my Chrome window. Now the Luma recording is started. You can hide this one. Here you can change the background while recording. Let me go with this one. It's great. And in text layout, it allows you to add some text in the background. I would like to write something like this. Subscribe to Quill, and it looks very great. And in templates, you will get some predefined templates which you can use directly to display anything. Here you click here and you can write something here. I would like to write again, subscribe to Quill. It's absolutely great. If you want to make anything blur on the screen, you can click here and select that thing what you want to make blur. Let me select this text, and now this text is get blurred. You can also remove that blur by clicking here. It's great. Here you can clearly see that in the left bottom corner there is a tectonic wheel icon is present. Since currently I am not using my camera, due to which there is no video recording takes place. It only shows the icon of my channel, that is the tectonic wheel logo. While recording, if I on my camera, in this place it will show my video. It also allow me to increase the size of this window to whichever size I want. It's great. When you stop the recording, your recorded video will appear in a new tab. Here you can see the recorded video, and it also allow you to edit the video and enhance the video. Let me edit and enhance the video. Here you can edit and enhance your video also. It's great. The next Chrome extension in our list is vidIQ Vision for YouTube. This Chrome extension will allow the users to research any keyword on YouTube. To try out this, let me go to the NASA YouTube. Here in YouTube, I search for NASA, and on the right side of your screen, you can clearly see that there is a vidIQ window is appears, where it shows you what where you shows the what is the overall score. In the right side of your screen, there is a vidIQ window has in the right side of your screen, there is a vidIQ pop-up having in the right side of your screen, there is a vidIQ pop-up have been appeared, where it shows what is the score for this NASA keyword in YouTube. The vidIQ score suggests you that what is the best possibility of searching the NASA keyword in YouTube search. It also provides you some other information like highest views on this keyword, average views, average subscribers, and top creator for this keyword. It's great. Now by clicking here, you can also see other functionalities what are provided by the vidIQ. You can search for daily ideas for your content. You can analyze your competitors. You can also check for the most viewed videos on YouTube. It also provides you channel audit to know about a particular channel on the YouTube. Then keyword inspector, it allows you to do research on a particular keyword on the YouTube. It also allow you to know about the achievements that a YouTube channel has gained over the period of time. The next Chrome extension in our list is Keywords Everywhere. This Chrome extension is similar as that of the vidIQ extension. This Chrome extension also allows the users to do research on any keyword in YouTube. To try out this again, I would like to go to the NASA page on YouTube. Now in the right side of your screen, you can clearly see that there is a keywords everywhere pop-up have been appeared, where it show you information like what is the maximum view on this keyword, what is the top channel making content on this keyword, what is the average views on this keyword, what is the rank difficulty of this keyword. Rank difficulty suggests you that what is the possibility of searching this keyword on YouTube search. More the rank difficulty score, that means it is more possibility of searching that keyword in YouTube, and less the rank difficulty score, that means it is less possibility of searching that keyword in the YouTube search. Keyword everywhere also allow you to export this data by clicking here. This data now get downloaded in your computer in a CSV file. It's great. Now to open that CSV file, double click on it, and the CSV file will get opened in MS Excel. Here you can easily able to read the CSV file on your computer. Now back to the Chrome. Now when you scroll down little bit, you will get more information by the keywords everywhere. Second thing, keywords everywhere give you is a graph of how many searches on this keyword happen on YouTube over the past couple of years, starting from 2004 to 2025. And the third thing, it show you what are the most used tags for this keyword. The fourth thing, it show you the what are the other long tail keywords possible on the NASA keyword. It's great. The next Chrome extension in our list is TubeBuddy for YouTube. This Chrome extension also allow you to do research on keywords for your content. To try out this, I would again like to go to the NASA YouTube page, and now in the right side of your screen, you can clearly see that there is a TubeBuddy pop-up has been appeared where it show you the scores for this keyword. In first it show you the what is the search volume for this keyword. For this case it is 15.8 million possible competition on this keyword. For this keyword it indicates yellow color, that means that means the possibility of competition for this keyword is good. And in the fourth it shows the what is and in the fourth it shows the and in the fourth it shows the overall score for this keyword. In this case the overall score for the NASA keyword is excellent, 100 out of 100. And when you click on the keyword stats, it give you the all the statistics for this keyword. First, searches per month. Second one is least views on this keyword. Third one is keyword in title. Then next is keyword in description. Then next is keyword in tags. And it also suggests you the top channel for this keyword. The next Chrome extension in our list is Hunter Email Finder extension. This Chrome extension will allow the users to find all the emails that are being included in a website. When you install this extension on your Chrome, a new tab will appear where it says thank you for signing off in Hunter, where it says a new tab will appear. A new tab will appear where it says when you install this extension on your Chrome, a new tab will appear where it says thank you for signing up for Hunter. Now to use this, click on the Hunter icon which is present on your tab bar. When you click on it, now a Hunter pop-up will appear where it shows you all the emails that are included in this web page. Here you can see this is the email of Director of Engineering of Hunter, and this is the email of co-founder of Hunter. You can also get many more emails which are included in this web page. It's great. The next Chrome extension in our list is Buffer. This Chrome extension allows the users to plan, schedule, and publish social media posts effortlessly across multiple platforms right from your browser. To try out this extension, click on the Buffer icon in the tab bar. Then the Buffer dashboard was open in a new tab. Here, after log in to Buffer, this Buffer dashboard will appear where Buffer allow you to connect multiple social media accounts to the Buffer dashboard. Then you will be able to post the same post in all the social media accounts you have connected to the Buffer dashboard. Then when you go to the create section, it allows you to note all your ideas, what to do, what are in progress, and what are completed. It also provides you predefined templates that you can use for writing your ideas. Then in the analyze section, it will show all the statistics of all your social media accounts that you have connected to the buffer dashboard. It's great. The next Chrome extension in our list is Keyword Surf. This Chrome extension will allow the users to instantaneously access keyword insights as you browse Google. Keyword Surf displays search volume, cost per click, and keyword suggestions directly in Google's search results. Now to use this, I would like to go to NASA page on Google search. Now here you can clearly see that keyword surf has already displays the search volume, cost per click of this NASA keyword, and when you scroll down you will able to see the keyword surf pop up where it suggests the other keywords along with NASA, and it also shows the possible search volume for those keywords. That's great. Now going back to Chrome Web Store, and the surprise what I promised in the starting of the video is that I made a PDF about the best Chrome extensions for content creators for all of you. I will provide the link of this PDF in the description. Please go and download this PDF and use it. This is the final surprise what I made for you. Now back to the Chrome Web Store again. Now I think so that we should close this video here. Before closing the video, I would like to say that if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel Tectonic Quill, and also make sure to hit the like button, and also comment about different topics on which you want video from us. Again, I would like to say that don't forget to download the PDF which I have made for you. The link of the PDF is in the description, and at the end also make sure to follow us on other social media handles. So finally, keep smiling and keep learning. I will see you in next time.